Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a sphere animation using Trapcode Form and Saber plugin in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create a new composition. I'll make it Full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Then I'll go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it 4. Then OK, go to effect, trap code, and 4. And see, come on, yeah. Okay, now I'll go to base form. I'll change base form to sphere and size X, Y, and Z. I'll change it to 700. Also, particles in X, I'll change it to 150. In Y, 150 also. And sphere layers, I'll change it to 1. Then, okay, that's all here. Open particle and I'll change size to 1. Then I'll go to color and I'll change this color to something gold like this. I think this is okay. Yeah. Okay. Then I'll close particle, go to disperse and twist, and I'll change disperse to 5. Okay, first let me add animation. So I'll go to base form. I'll forget this, sorry. And I'll go to X rotation, Alt click here, and I'll type time times Shift 8, minus 30. Oh, let me see this. Yeah. This is our animation, okay? Again, I'll go to disperse and twist, and I'll change disperse to 5. Okay, fractal. I'll go to fractal, effect size, I'll change it to maybe 5. Yeah. This is good. Okay, now I'll go to visibility also, and I'll change far vanish to 3000 and far start fade to 13,000. Okay, yeah. I think this is very easy. So now I'll go to let me go to particle and I'll change blend mode to add. Okay, and now I'll go to effect and blur and sharpen. Then I'll choose CC vector blur. I'll go to amount and I'll change amount to maybe 5. Yeah, 5. Okay, this is very good. So I'll go to form, solid, Control D to copy, and I'll name it solid settings form 2. Okay, now I'll go to vector blur, delete it, and I'll go to particle. I'll change size to 2. Okay, and also I'll change this color something like also gold. Maybe this is good. Yeah. And now I'll go to effect again and I'll go to blur and sharpen and Gaussian blur. increase it to 20. 20. Okay. Now add a new solid. I'll name it Saber. Okay. Close it. Then I'll go to ellipse tool to add a circle, and I want this circle to cover the entire sphere. So I'll go to selection tool, double click, and I'll move the 4 points like this. Okay. Yeah. Then I'll go to effect, video Copilot, Saber. I'll change preset to energize. Okay. Then I'll go to customize curve and I'll change it to layer mask. Yeah. And then I'll go to normal, set normal to add and see. Okay. Yeah. Let me change this color to, yeah, something like this. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so now I'll go again to form number 1, Control D to copy, and I'll name it form 3, and I'll bring it up or put it up. Okay, and I'll go to CC vector blur, delete it. Then I'll go to effect, Trapcode, and Trapcode shine. Okay, I'll go to ray, I'll increase it. Let me set normal here to add, and ray, I'll increase it. Also here light, I'll increase it. Okay, then I'll go to colorize and I'll change the red one to something like this. Also the white. Yeah. Okay, this is very good. So now I'll take them all, select them all, right click and pre-compose. Okay, Control D to copy, and I'll go to toggle switch here and I'll make it 3D. Again, set normal to add and press R for rotation, go to X rotation and I'll change it to 90. Then hold your mouse or click on your mouse and I'll put it down something like this and see. Okay, last thing, I want to add a background. Hit OK, I'll put it down, go to effect and generate gradient ramp, and change. Let me change pre-compose this one to add. Okay, again I'll go to background and I'll change the white color to something like gold. Okay, and also here color like this. Okay, I want to go to this reflection, let me add a mask. Okay, something like this. And I'll go to mask, open mask, mask feather, increase it like this. Okay, this is very important. And that's all. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and bye bye.